Welcome back guys, we're back again with another tutorial. This time we're going to be going over how we can actually log onto our account on our WordPress and then how we can get started to actually change our blog around to suit us. So in the last video the step that we got to was adding the SSL security and actually making it live so we can join the site. Now if you notice down here we have a site login, and if you didn't watch the first video, the way to get to here is by clicking onto my WordPress site, clicking onto action button here, and then you are brought to this page. Now from here you can click site login. This won't be the same login that you used or created on Seekerhost. This has to be a WordPress one and you would have been sent the information via email. To start with, it's a very weird amount of numbers and symbols that you'll get sent. However, this will be your number, your password and your username, and you can change this, which we'll show in a minute. Now once you're logged in, you'll be brought up to the main dashboard of WordPress, and this is how you're going to be able to change your blog around and add stuff. For this video we're going to be heading over to users and then head over to edit under your name. You can change some of your profile effects, you can add a picture and so on. However, what we're going to be doing for the moment is we're going to be changing the name here to a name of admin, so that's how it will appear. So if we type admin there, and then we can change our display name publicly to be admin. Now here you can choose whether you put your last name and your first name. Your website will be automatically filled in with your website. Here you can put a short bio about yourself and what your website is about. And of course here you can add your profile picture into it. Now if you did want to reset the new password, this is how you would do it. I would have hidden my password, but you can click show there, you can change it and then set a new password that way. Now that you change yourself to admin and you've changed your display name publicly to admin, hit update profile and you'll notice in the top right of your page it will now say howdy admin. On the left hand side you're going to see we have our main dashboard. We have posts. This is where you can create new posts, check out your original posts, change categories and tag. You can check out your media library from photos that you've uploaded or photos that you want to upload. You can change your pages here by adding new ones, checking out your pages already that you have. You can check out comments that people have left right there. Appearance we'll be covering in another video because you can change the appearance of your site and how it appears to others. Anything from your starter templates, menus and widgets. Widgets are similar to what I'm using now on the left hand side, right hand side. You might have it on the bottom or the top of your website. You'll have buttons or selections and menus that you can create that people can click on. It will take them to other pages. We'll be covering plugins in our next video, and this will be how to add plugins. Plugins are essentially a program that you can add to your site or your blog that will help you do something else, e.g. if you want to get forms filled in by other customers and sent in, or polls and stuff like that, you can create a plugin or you can download a plugin for that onto your site. You can check all the users, add new users or check your profile on the left here under users. You've got a variety of different tools. It'll show you your available tools. You can import or export tools. You can check your site health, export personal data or erase personal data. Here we've got the main settings under general, writing settings, the reading, discussion, media, permalinks, and so on. And these are basically all the links that you're going to need to set up your blog. Now if you want to just visit the site and check out what it looks like, of course it won't have changed since we last looked in the last video, but it's still a very simple hello world site. So thanks for watching. In the next video we'll be going over the plugins that you can add and install onto your WordPress blog.